Haven't experienced that frustration when you hard work to grow a small account just doesn't seem to give you results? If you have tried several tasks and still haven't seen real progress, this video is for you. I'll share the strategy that turns things around for me and it could do the same for you. Let's go with that. I feel pleasant good surprise just for you. Watch the video to the end and you'll be amazed. Guys, let's talk about something very important. When people say the market's against me, that's not really what it means, okay? Many times you hear this phrase being used and when the machines say they are themselves, but what actually happened is something is different. Most of the time the problem is fake entries that many traders have an uptick in obvious zones or during reversal that are always mentioned during this live session. Okay, that's why it's essential to remember one key thing: patience. As right here, we just got a good downtrend, but now it's gonna revert. So we have to change the time frame between that MA1, MA5, 30 seconds. Sometimes you cannot avoid some reverts, and that's very important to do that. Alright, so you need to stay calm and keep looking for a good positioning so we can execute a solid entry. I know that's not possible to win 100% of the time, but achieving 7 or 8 wins out of the 10 trades is absolutely possible once you have the right knowledge and practice. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you some examples. Right after that we'll take a few trades based on those some examples. Want to see them, everything will become much clearer for you. Alright, so don't forget about that. Change between the time frame, that's very important. Okay, so let's try to take some examples and about the indicators. Guys, today we're gonna use 3 indicators: alligator, momentum, and RSI. Okay, so let's set up this together. First, we're gonna use on alligator. We're gonna use on jaws 15 and 7, for teeth 10 and 6, lips 5 and 4, and the style that's up to you. If you want to change the thickness to 2 or 6 or not, that is up to you. RSI 13 on period and the style, okay, is the same for that. Momentum, we're gonna use 10 on period, right? And the style we're not gonna change on this. You just will click on save, okay? And guys, for that we're gonna use classic candles. Okay, so let's start with that and be prepared for the first entry: 15 time frames and candles, classic candles. Alright, so with this strategy we are ready to go. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. To go. Alright guys, I'm going to be trading this with 1 minute on expiration time. So right here, you're looking out for a very good opportunity in the market. Okay, as we get this in the buy trade, so you can have a very good confirmation right here. So we want only alligator lines to all intersect with each other before you can able to take a trade, hope and get it right. So let's wait for the next candle to see what's the result for this. Right here guys, we can trade right here, level for a buy trade as I said, and look out for any time you are trading using this strategy. The first thing you need to see the content of the candlesticks, and after that the intersection of the alligator's lines. Okay, if this is an upward direction, it's right or upward direction. If it's a downward direction, it's a downward direction. The next thing is always you need to see the consideration on the RSI and then the momentum. Okay, so not only that, we got right here $38 and we got $59 in the total. Okay, I hope you get it right, guys. You can see it right here. That's good profits in particular level. So this is what you need to put into consideration when you're going for a buy trade. So guys, let's find another opportunity. And just remember, just so you know, this is one of the strategies that can completely change your path in this market. To become a pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is must. But don't worry, I've got two exclusive content pieces that will be the key to our growth. Stick with me until the end of the video. Alright guys, we have another one opportunity right here in this particular point, so I can see we have consistent candlestick and bind up right here. So what I'm looking for right here is our alligator. And this is the major indicator we have to be looking for two lines to properly cross with each other. Immediately you see that, then we have to take a trade. As you can see right here, everything's pretty much building up. Our side indicator is moving from the overbought condition here toward the upside direction. As you can see right here, let's actually enter for on this. Okay, we can see right here, candlestick is pretty much stable. Alligator line intersect with each other. Not only RSI is going up from that, we got the momentum is building up and it's giving a green candle on this, pretty much ready to go in an upside direction. Hope you're getting it right. If you follow all the instructions, definitely guys, you are going to make a very good amount of money. I want to let this go if you wanted to take a trade in moments. Also, the alligator line is pretty much important. You need to put that into consideration. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And see on this, we got another one. $57 of profits. We got 87 now in the total. This is what I said for you. The moving candles and the green candles and that. Please not take a trade. Okay. So guys, I'm going to make again and find another opportunity for us. I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before going to trade. All right, guys, right here we should have been looking out for a trade right in this particular level. So let's actually wait for the next candle, and we got this as sell trades. So how's the bullish candle? So right here we got this as a red button. So I've set it the D time before you can be able to take a trade. Your candlestick has to pretty much stable, and not only the guys alligator line has to intersect with each other. Okay, your RSI also be moving from oversold on that condition toward to be overbought condition. And do not forget the momentum indicators has to be building down for that right here, giving a very condition and confirmation before you take a trade, right? So guys, this is very powerful strategy. Okay, I've been trying the strategy. I've set over here for a week and giving me consistent winning rate. You can see it here, guys. We make it very good profits, and look at that, another one, $86, and we got almost $130 in the total. I want to try it. That you make this on your account, guys. When you have enough confidence with this strategy, experience, be able to go to your account. So guys, this is what I'm going to solve on this video. If you like this video, do ensure to give us a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, subscribe and ensure of this video and love that, and join from this channel. So let's see you again on this video. Bye bye guys, have a good day, see you.